Good morning to all my beautiful friends. All of you most welcome to our channel Soulful Journey by Vihan. Friends, today we have come to this beautiful place in the Himalayan ranges. You can see here the beautiful mountains full of greenery and vegetation. Actually, these mountains are from the Himalayan ranges. This is known for their geographical conditions, and you can see here a wonderful view. Right down there, a river Chenab is flowing. You can see the water of which comes from the Kailash Parbat. It is too cold. The temperature of water is too cold. It is hardly to survive in the water even for 2 minutes. The life of the peoples actually living in these mountains or living on the high ranges of these mountains. You can see on the top there are a lot of homes of the people, and you can imagine, friends, how will they survive for their daily lives. The life of these people is very tough, but it's pure. Their vegetations, their habitation is absolutely so pure, free from all pollutions and other impurities. Behind this mountain there is another mountain. You can see one mountain after another, and from this side you can see the river Chenab. It looks very small but very deep. It's so deep that if unfortunately some vehicle gets fall into this George Chenab river, it's impossible to recover those vehicles. It is believed by the local peoples. I love the views so beautifully. This is actually power of the nature, and you can see right from here the fields which are being prepared by the peoples for the cultivation. There are so many things which still have to share with you, but due to lack of time I am not getting the enough time to share all those beautiful and precious moments with you all. So forgive me. In between I couldn't able to get come live also, so very sorry for that also. And the friends which are thinking that I'm not commenting and liking their shorts and contents, so this is the sole message to all those friends that just wait, I will be back, and will attend all those contents personally. Thank you. Thank you so much, friends. Hope you will definitely enjoy these visuals of the morning of the mountain of the Himalayan ranges. Thank you so much.